use them for a bit and sell them on later. This desktop is not a different case in that regard. This is a machine for resale, but I picked it up because I only had to pay about 70 euros for this to get it, and everything inside this machine is actually box standard, unlike many other OEM machines. I mean, the PSU was standard, the motherboard is standard micro ATX, it has a standard I/O shield, and it can use, just like I said, basically standard components. In fact, I already replaced the power supply. This is it. Here's the extra tab that you would usually use to clip it into place in the case. It's just a very typical PSU. It's reasonably heavy. It's only a 300 watt unit, so it really had to come out, especially because it only has like 3 SATA leads, a P4 power, and a 24 pin, but no way to connect the graphics card, for instance. What I intend to do with this system before I install it on, I mean, I could just flip it immediately for double. What I wanted to do was give it some more RAM, give it a better video card, and in order to give it a better video card, you need to upgrade the PSU. I already had this PSU laying around. It's a 400 watt GFET unit, and it has a 6-bit PCI Express connector. Now, I already upgraded the RAM. It has 6 gigabytes in it right now. It didn't come with a hard drive. I put in a 1 terabyte residential blue. I had that around. And that's pretty much that part of the story. Let's pop it on the side and pop the cover off. There's one thumb screw in the back. There we go. Other specifications of this machine, it originally came with 4 gigabytes of RAM. I upgraded this to 6. It has 2 RAM slots. I think it's actually better if we just turn over this way. There we go. Right here is the RAM. The original 1 4 gigabyte module and 1 2 gigabyte that I added. Here is the hard drive located. It will support 2.5 inch drives and 3.5 inch